ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the price to drop because we have been looking for this correction. And we mentioned we're looking for the price to drop. We want the price to break this low. And this is what we get. And even we mentioned the price, we are expecting the price to tag 1642. As we can see, the price almost near to that, what we were expecting as a correcting. Now we want to see whether there is a continuation. The price can break this line or not. In this case, we move to daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction. We want to see how deep this one can be before we get the next move. And also we need to know, may this one drop and this one tend to a more complex flat before we get the next move. Okay, anyway, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can trade it, and based on forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. And when we mentioned we're looking for this correction, that's why when the price was within this move, we mentioned we want the price to drop. And the first things we're looking for is 1642, almost near to that. And then another one, if there is a breakout of this, the next level we're looking for is 1562. Okay, the first things, if we put this one relative to this, we want to see whether we have a divergence or not. If we refer to MACD, we don't have. And how about the another indicators? Okay, we don't have any divergence. Okay, and the only thing is we need to know whether, first of all, how deep this one can go. This is the only correction, or this one can turn to a more complex correction. Okay, that's why if we want to look for buy, we need to get the reversal, but right now we don't have any information for reversal. Maybe we get the correction for one more drop as well. We need to know about that. And if we move to 1 hour chart, okay, and if we move to 1 hour chart, as we can see, after the price broke the low, which is 1705, okay, the price dropped to what we were looking for, almost near to, because we were looking for 1642. The lowest price I get is 1652. Okay, but from now, if we get any reversal, we will be more interested. But right now, we need to see how deep this one can go. As we can see, the price is correcting here, and we need to know if we get the reversal, we want the price move quite sharp, and with the breakout of this top, the correction above here, we start to manage. But if this is not moving, is there a correct, if the way it's moving is there a corrective, we don't stay with the trade. May this one turn to another correction for one more drop, if, for example, if the price reverse from here. Okay, by the way, now we want to see how deep this one can go, and if we either we can get one more drop or not. And from now, mostly we get the small correction with a drop. Anyone wants to look for sell, they can look for short-term sell, but for long term, we are more interested in the buy. The only times we can look at a good trade setup, unless this one turn to a bigger correction or give us a better trade setup as a flat, at least 1, 2, 3. Okay. Rather than that, any small correction similar to what we have here, we can get. If anyone wants to look for sell, they consider it a short term. As long as they get into the profit, they start to manage, because when we are not sure how deep this one can go, and that's what we were expected. If there is a breakout of this one, the next level we're looking for is 1562. By the way, for long term, we're looking for buy. But we need to get wait and get the reversal trade setup, at least short move flag. But right now, we don't have it. The only thing is we need to see what we will get from here. How this one turned to a correction for one more drop or reversal. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.